Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting what you need and why each item matters. You will verify TPM and Secure Boot because the installer checks firmware to prevent failures. Once confirmed, plug a blank 8 GB or larger USB and back up its data. Next, download the Windows 11 ISO or the official media creation tool so you have a clean image. This reduces corruption risk. Make sure your host PC has admin rights, because writing an image requires elevated permissions and accurate partitioning. You now make the USB bootable. Choose the official media tool for simplicity or Rufus for advanced options. Select the ISO you downloaded, then pick GPT partitioning and UEFI target because modern PCs use UEFI firmware and Secure Boot. If file size forces it, NTFS works, but some UEFI may require FAT32. Start the write operation and watch the progress bar. The tool will copy files and make the drive bootable. Once the tool reports success, safely eject the USB to avoid file system corruption. You finish by booting the target computer from the USB, enter the boot menu or UEFI and pick the USB device, because directly booting avoids accidental boot order changes. Follow the Windows installer prompts, choose Custom Install if you need a clean system, and format the target partition to remove old files. Once Windows 11 is installed, sign in and install drivers, run Windows Update, and verify activation. If the installer fails, try recreating the USB on a different port or tool, and confirm TPM and Secure Boot settings in firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.